Hello and welcome back to the channel. Thanks for stopping by for yet another video. I appreciate that, and as always, I appreciate you. So, now I'm over here at the New Zealand Herald website here. So I've never used this site, so hopefully it's real news. I believe it is, but it says NASA admits the mysterious Planet 9 is real. Now notice they're not going to call it Planet X or Nibiru or whatever, but they do say that a ninth planet they believe exists and is out there on the edge of space. Now it goes on to say it has been widely debated among science community for years, but now NASA claims that Planet 9 does exist. The space agency highlights 5 different lines of evidence pointing to the existence of the mysterious world and says that imagining that Planet 9 does not exist generates more problems than you can solve. It says researchers are now using the Nibiru telescope in Hawaii in hopes of finding Planet 9 and hope that its detection will also shed light on its origin, according to the Daily Mail. Now, as you can see here in this picture, this is where they think that this planet possibly exists in. But the thing I don't know is, I wonder about is like, how can they predict its path if they haven't truly found it yet? It does go on to say that Planet 9 was first theorized by experts in Caltech in 2014. And while the planet itself has yet to be found, researchers believe that there is strong evidence it exists. A planetary astrophysicist at Caltech in Pasadena, whose team is closing in on finding Planet 9, said there are now 5 different lines of observational evidence pointing to the existence of Planet 9. If you were to remove this explanation, imagine that Planet 9 does not exist and you generate more problems than you can solve. It goes on to say all of a sudden you have 5 different puzzles and you must come up with 5 different theories to explain them. In 2016, Vatican published a study that examined the orbits of 6 objects in the Kuiper Belt, a distant region of icy bodies stretching from Neptune outward towards the interstellar space. It said his findings revealed that that objects all had elliptical orbits that point in the same direction and are tilted 30 degrees downward compared to the plane in which the 8 planets circle the Sun. To investigate this further, the researchers have used computer simulations of the solar system with Planet 9 included and show that there should be more objects tilted at 90 degrees to the plane of the 8 planets. The team realized that 5 objects already known to astronomers fit the bill. Following this study, 2 more clues emerged about Planet 9. A second article by Badagin's team, led by Elizabeth Bailey, showed that Planet 9 could have tilted the planets of our solar system during the last 4.5 billion years. And it ends up saying that Badagin said, over long periods of time, Planet 9 will make the entire solar system plane wobble, just like the top on a table. Finally, researchers demonstrate how Planet 9's presence could explain why the Kuiper Belt objects in orbit in the opposite direction from anything else in the solar system. Badger said that no other model can explain the weirdness of these high inclination orbits. It turns out that Planet 9 provides a natural avenue for the generation. Now it says these things have been twisted out of the solar system plane with the help from Planet 9 and scattered inward by Neptune. The researchers now hope to find Planet 9 itself using the Nibiru telescope in Hawaii, which they describe as the best tool for the job. Now Badagin did add, I think Planet 9's detection will tell us something about its origin. So, I mean, there you have it. A little bit longer of an article, a little bit more of a read, so I apologize for that. But they're saying that this thing possibly does exist, and they're saying if it doesn't exist, you're creating more questions and issues that you really don't want. So in a lot of ways, they're calling it Planet 9. So possibly, I don't know. I don't know if you would say that's actually Nibiru or Planet X, but they are saying that there's probably a Planet 9 out there. Haven't found it yet, But I guess we're just gonna have to wait and see. I know a lot of people out there believe it's already arrived and it's here and whatnot, and that's fine. Like I said, I'll believe it when I see it. Um, but again, I just wanted to share this article with you. I thought that was some pretty interesting information to pass on. And again, I appreciate every single one of you for supporting the channel and watching these videos. Be sure to share, like, subscribe, and comment down below. I hope you have a great day. Peace.